Those are little bugs that you see flying around. I don't know what type of bugs they are. They're flying all into my view. Squirrel just ran off somewhere. I don't know where the birds were. But they're just trying to eat. Just so good. I really want the blue jays and the red robins to come out. They don't come out too much, I notice. And the seeds that I get, they're different types, and I mix them all together. And different types of walnuts, no soil. I don't get anything roasted or anything like that. Let it go. They've been hiding. I guess they went bye-bye.